In this video, I'm installing rear reverse lights and floodlights that'll be driven off the same circuit. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go find the original reverse circuit and tie it into these new rear LED lights, and I'm going to install a switch that allow me to turn them on whenever I want. The idea behind this is that every time I shift into reverse, I'll have excellent reverse lighting to be able to see at night to back up, and I'll have a switch to be able to turn on these lights whenever I want to, like if somebody's tailgating me, or I just need to see because I'm hooking up a trailer or I'm at my campsite at night. So we'll do two things. I'm trying to figure out the reverse lamp feed on the Delica so I can power my new reverse lights there. And what I've discovered, see, my reverse lights are on. Here is the fuse box I've dropped down. This little white thing, that's the reverse annoying beeper. It's also like the headlights on beeper. It's combined. And the feed for the reverse lights goes through this plug, which is C72 or 73, I forget. And when I unplug it, my radio started playing again, and my reverse lights are off. So if you need a reverse feed, it is this plug here that has the reverse feed in it, which is C73, and it's just labeled as like roof and rear door. And you can see this is the reverse lamp feed. So now we just need to figure out which wire of C73 the reverse is. So that's C73 coming out of the fuse box, junction box. It looks like it's pin 19 is what that's trying to tell me. And if I come down here to C73, it's pin 19. So there's the alignment notch. It should be this pin in the corner. Hopefully I can figure out which one in the corner it is. So C73 pin 19, C73 pin 19. Are you getting annoyed by the beeping? Because I am. Very much so. So I think it has to be this pin, red and black. Or is it blue? Shoot, let's go check the harness again. Alright, the wire circuit for this says 1.25, which I think means 1.25 millimeters cross-sectional area. Red L. Or RL. L? I don't know. But it doesn't say... Well, I can see R. L. L is black. But see what looks like... Oh. Yeah, okay. Red and light blue. RL is light blue. Zoom in on that. So I think that's it. That 19. Kind of depends like which way you're looking at the connector. This way or the other way. So I'll check that with the multimeter, but I think that might be my feed. Alright, through some Christmas miracle, I'm reading my voltage on pin 19, and I can actually reach up and shift this back into park, and it goes away. So that is it. I have confirmed. That wire there is the reverse feed. So, things we learned. This is the buzzer. There's normally a plastic cover over all that. This is the buzzer, the chime. The chime does both the door open and the reverse with different tones, so I can't just totally disable it if I want my headlight reminder to work. And that is the reverse feed. So now that I know that's the reverse feed, I can tap into that to power my new rear fog lights. Here, E-Tax. There's the part number on the back side of the fuse box. Just one connection right here. My wiring diagram did show a version with another plug here, maybe for something my vehicle doesn't have. Again, that's that connector. And here's everything else torn apart. Now here you can see that when I turn my headlights on, the backlighting does work on this switch. And when I turn on this switch, I do get my reverse lights coming on. So now I have a switch up on my dash to turn on these whenever I want. And as well, they'll turn on when I shift into reverse. So what I didn't show you in this video is how I actually powered that all. Basically what I did is from that reverse feed and from that switch installed, I ran one wire out from the dash up to the engine bay, and over on the left side of the engine bay where there's power in that fuse block, I tapped out for power, added a relay, and then ran the wire to the back to power those lights. I kind of skipped that all, but you can see it in my other video where I'm hooking up power to these front fog lights, and you can see the details of what I had to do there. Thanks for watching.